like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by you.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Mariano. I just want to unbox my gift from my good friend of mine from Macy's. Her name is Sonal Patel. Hi Sonal! Today I just want to thank you for giving me this such a gift on my birthday. So sorry that it's been a while already that I haven't unboxing it. So now it is. Welcome. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and you are notified every time that I have a video. Welcome to my channel, everyone. Thank you for watching. And here it is. It's a gift from Sonal Patel. Thank you so much for giving me this, and I really like it. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna open it and then I'm gonna share it with you how it looks like. And this is it. It's a Giorgio Armani perfume from my good friend of mine, Sonal. There is a body lotion and also there is a perfume here. It smells so good. She asked me what I want on my birthday, and so we picked it at Macy's, and this is my way. Yeah, it smells so good, and thank you everyone. Thank you for this, Sonal. I will not forget this, and also the hand cream and the lotion. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mariano. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. It's a Giorgio Armani perfume set. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I don't really